Terra Luna Classic holders, listen up and welcome back to the LUNC Army. The reason why I'm making this video for you is because I have some thoughts on my mind that I need to share with you. As a content creator, I go over many different comments, review, and beautiful replies from you, and I appreciate all of them. There's a couple of them that really penetrate about the price and about, is it over? Is LUNC done? What else is there to do? And how about this proposal, this proposition, this idea? Can get confusing. So by the end of this video, I'm gonna put it in a good, beautiful context and urgent and important, hard to swallow truth about Terra Luna Classic. I'm gonna tell you basically and analyzing everything and all the points that I've been doing my due diligence and give it to you in one nice video, the one you're watching right now. There are two indicators that are paramount. Pretty much, if they failed, then we're probably going to be heading lower, and I'm going to tell you roughly by how much. But there's one big catalyst that by the end of this video, you got to go ahead and enjoy it so you are aware and you can get excited, because Terra Luna Classic, the story is not over, but for 2022, something might be. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. How's the LUNC Army doing? I got the Army shirt. Put in the comments how excited you are. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin, one thing does not lie. And what is it? Numbers and charts. The charts do not lie, everybody. USTC and LUNC. First thing I'm going to tell you, it's been a great ride. More than 15 weeks on each since we started everything all the way right now. You may not be aware or used to seeing this chart in particular. What is it? It's the week chart for the two of them, USTC and LUNC. What does that mean? It means that for the majority of the time, we see the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 day, or 4 hours, which are important for day-to-day trading. But this one shared with me a story for everybody to see, like, we had a pump, now we're having a fallback. Where is it going to stabilize, or is it going to 100% retracement? And here's the deal. Not to delay it even further, if LUNC cannot hold this support at 3018, the price is going to continue dropping, and we're going to see 409, period. Therefore, and before I say my conclusion there, for USTC, yes, it's down from the pump that we had at 6 cents. Prior in September, it had a pump all the way to 7 cents. And prior in June, had a pump all the way to about close to 10 cents. What do you see? A higher highs, lower highs that we're seeing so far, which makes sense according to LUNC as well. So, bottom line on the price, and this is the hard to swallow one. We are, in my opinion, and based on these factors, unless we have Coinbase listing LUNC or KuCoin soon saying something about LUNC that they're going to do margin and spot trading fees, burn tax, and other exchange coming in by the end of the year, we're not going to see passing the recent high of LUNC at 3059. That is one of the reasons that in this channel, Oscar Ramos, I've never rose the bar of $1 or 1 cent expectations for this year. No 120 days left, no 90 days left, no 80 days. Those videos were pure clickbait and they were all on YouTube. Tomorrow is gonna be $1 or what have you. Complete nonsense. Because I knew the reset was an opportunity, was a chance for whales to get out. And you're seeing right now on the screen, that is the case. Therefore, we are going to have possibly, and I hope, Coinbase listing LUNC or Robinhood listing LUNC. But guess what? Will that bring the price all the way to passing the recent high? I don't think so. I'm hiding all my indicators. But what I think is Coinbase, if they do that, I think Coinbase is going to raise the price all the way to the 50% retracement, which is going to be roughly 3035, tops 3004. I don't see it more because retail investors is one big thing as whales. Usually when whales leave the boat, as they have done it right now, it's over. It's over for the price to keep pumping. I can be wrong. This is just my hypothesis. Tell me in the comments down below if you agree or disagree with me. For USDC, it's a little bit more complicated, even though it's one that it pumped just recently, but it does have a little bit more variance to it. For LUNC, it's the one that everybody wants to see more burn and continue exploding. So, first part of this analysis, the price, in my opinion, for 2022, that's it. The price is over for LUNC in 2022. But guess what? A bunch of LUNC lives on Twitter from Vegas, from Mr. Diamond Hands, from some members of the Terra Rebels. I go there, some other content creators. I'm happy to say that a lot of people understand that this is going to be a long term. So if in 2022 we just consolidate, become another Shiba Inu, because take a look at Shiba Inu. It's been consolidated for months. Then LUNC is probably do that for the next 3 months till the end of the year. Therefore, it will become very boring. It will become very, we'll see what's next, quant or this or that. Welcome to becoming a human in crypto LUNC. That is something that I knew it could have happened, and it is happening right now. But you have to understand, all of those, I'm going to get into this in just 1 second with the proposals, but the price can be manipulated. And in my opinion, we get Coinbase, yeah, we're going to pump, but not by much. We get Robinhood, mildly pump. We get KuCoin adding some burnings, which is expected since they bought it, right? A little bit. But other than that, with this bear market and how Bitcoin is doing and how possible more market crashing coming with more inflation and FOMC and CPI data, hard to believe. All right. That is for the price. For the utility, for the progress, for the development proposals and burning, that's a different story. But for that, I have to say that is where LUNC is skyrocketing. Now, Oscar, what do you mean? Everybody, barely, 3 months plus 15 weeks, 16 weeks, 4 months? I think we're moving to the speed of light, to be honest with you. It is one of those projects that has tons of support from the community. And even though dogecoin and TFL are out there, not really paying too much attention to us, we found new people in the community with Terra Rebels and everybody pitching in new ideas, content creators, and yours truly trying to promote and support the project, burning and letting people know about all the proposals. And I think we're going to find that exploration of success that finally gets us to the sweet spot for LUNC, Terra Classic, and the entire ecosystem. That's what I believe, and that's where I see that we're moving really fast. Burns are trying to get all the way up to 1 billion per day. So far, we're roughly, according to LUNC Terrarity.io, roughly 700 million per day. So here's to tell you that it's moving forward. For that, I do see from right now till the end of the year, more changes coming in. Those changes make people upset, make people happy. It is what it is. It's a give and take. Obviously, making people upset, leaving the project, is going to reduce the volume, maybe making people happy, may add a couple more people. So it is the opportunity cost of trying to resurrect a blockchain that it was completely dead, but now it's coming back with the support of the community, right? Now, my friends, those are the two indicators, and here's the catalyst that I want to share with you. Bitcoin 2020, 2022, Amazon 1999, 2001. If your asset, if your project is good, no matter if you crash, you can still make it. And you and I know that Bitcoin will come back. Amazon did come back, but LUNC Terra Classic, tell me in the comments down below what you believe. Because I think if we stand together, continue moving forward with proposals, finding the sweet spot, not looking too much at the price, it is what it is, manipulated, it's coming down, we can come back with realistic expectations and good movements. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel. Hope this helped you, and I'll see you next time, everybody. Difficult to believe in 2022. I think it's over for the price, but long term, baby, we'll be getting there. Peace.